It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we can holler at the boys.
Good dental hygiene is about more than just a pearly white teeth. Caring for your teeth and gums is a smart way to prevent gum diseases and cavities. People can benefit from a rinse. Showering helps rinse away dead skin cells, bacteria, and oils.
Hey guys, it's Monica and now we will do our skincare. Before I start washing my face, I use clips to move away my hair from my bare face so it won't be messy. Of course, I first wet my face then apply my facial wash. Washing my face helps cleanse and enhance my skin moisture. I applied it on my skin gently and following a circular motion. Then of course, I rinse my face. I use my towel to pat dry my face gently and ready my skin for the next product. Next step is Moisture Facial Cream from Snail White. I applied my moisturizer on my face evenly and then gently pat it on my skin so they can absorb the product well. Now let's remove our clip and we are now done with our skincare. Let us now see how we should properly wash our hands.
Let's wash our hands, guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. O, diba? Hindi na natapos. Always remember to wash your hands, guys, especially now in this time of pandemic. Bye!
And next one, always tie your hair, especially when you're going to eat, to avoid hair from falling into the food as it can cause a food contamination. And of course, after you tie your hair, do not forget to sanitize your hands with alcohol before eating your breakfast. Always remember that it is best to be clean and bacteria-free all the time, especially in this time of pandemic.
Good morning, everyone. So for today, we're going to eat our breakfast here. I'm going to show you. And of course, we should eat healthy foods like fruits and vegetables so our body is healthy. And I just want you to know before we eat, you should wash your hands, okay? Every time. 2 times, or you can sing happy birthday. So that's all, guys. Later on, we're going to work. Bye!
So I am watching a series on Netflix while I am eating nuggets and fried rice for my breakfast. You can see but I have my iced coffee as my drink. Taray no, pwede na ako pang sabak sa mukbang.
Kain tayo, guys! Yummer! So, ang breakfast ko for today is nag-toast na ako ng bread with butter. Oo, alam ko, guys. Nakikita ko ng sunog yan. Pasensya na kayo, guys. Ako lang to. And also, nagdagdag din ako ng Energen, chocolate Energen. So, ayun. Kain tayo muna. Bye!
Alfredo. How about you guys?
I'm on my way to Cafe Alfredo. Yes, me too.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah, of course. Ready.
Okay, let's go. See you there.
Bye. See you guys. Bye.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we can holler at the boys, looking so good, whistling they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just lie.